Yes, today I'll explain about that new class, right? So taking new document and say OK. So here we do that artistic media brush tool. Already explained this in the tools section, but more clearly I'll try to explain here. The artistic media brush tool, right? Suppose see, there are the different options are there here. The brush, the sprayer is there, calligraphy, and here it is a pressure sensitive brush, and here the brush strokes, footprint, mist, mosaic. These are all the options, custom options given. So here you can create your new spray list, right? Here you can browse or you can save artistic media stroke, or otherwise if you want to delete, you can delete. Suppose you can delete that, right? Yes, suppose this you can delete. Yeah. You delete it, right? Suppose this also you can delete, the previous ones, these are deleted, right? So now suppose if you draw with this brush, suppose here we have to select first. Yes, what is right? First from custom presets you have to select. Suppose this is artistic media brushes, right? So you can apply here, right? So anyway, and you can choose from any shape, any design, and normally you apply to any shape. Suppose here you draw with this one, right, and apply the same brush to that box. So already I told you all these things in the previous classes, right? See, this is, in the same way here also the sprayer is there. In the sprayer also we have different brushes are there. Suppose food and mosaic and music symbols. So these are the things, right? So you can apply this, just you click on that, so this will apply to on any object, any a shape. Suppose here you draw this one by pressing Control, I am giving on circle. To the circle we can apply this, right? So it is applied, but because of this a value is bigger, it is not showing. See this? Right, here it is showing. And the same way here value also you can decrease, right? Sometimes we use all these shapes, right? And here you can change the distance also, right? Yes. So these are, so here always we are using that given shapes only. That means what? In the default what they are giving, only those things we are using here, right? So all these are, but this time we have to create our own. Suppose here pen tool is there. In pen tool also suppose that options are there. Suppose you draw accordingly, it takes that and you can give that value, that shape value, right? And change this. Suppose this is what the stroke width, here it is showing decreasing and increasing, this is right, calligraphic angle this is, and here it is stroke width increasing and decreasing, right? And this is what the freehand smoothing, with the freehand smoothing 100%. So suppose the very nice the clean line we are getting, right? So here we are planning to create our own pattern design, like on brush we are preparing. Just for that, what you do, just click on that. But here the artistic media brushes are available. This custom media, the brushes are there, right? These are the given things. So here first you have to create one shape, required shape. Suppose here I am planning to draw suppose with pen tool, with the pen tool, just I am drawing this symbol. So Ctrl Z, just delete this and we draw it again. This is the shape I am doing, right? And with this shape selection tool, properly adjust this, because that both sides should be the same. And here give any color. Suppose here I am giving this color, and if you want you can delete this outline also. So there is a cross symbol there, you can right click, or otherwise there here is showing that outline width, so click on that none, right? So this is, so here what I am doing, so after selecting this, see here in the options, here there are preset brushes are there. Here there is a save option is there, just click on that. So object sprayer, you are saving into object sprayer, save OK, right? So it's asking the name, suppose the pink, so pink shape, give it just pink, save. It is already saved, and you can delete this now and check this custom media strokes and check it is under, right? This is there. So it is showing in options, spray pattern, right? Choose this spray pattern that you want to apply. So here what I am doing, here I am applying ellipse here by pressing Ctrl on keyboard, the perfect ellipse I am drawing, right? So over on that I want to apply that the created one. Suppose click on the artistic media, and here this is your brush, right? It is applied already, but it is not showing because this value is more. So you can reduce this images per but dab and image spacing. So upper box, set the number of images per dab. Lower box, adjust the distance between dabs along the length of each stroke. So upper box showing what? Set the number of images per dab, one only, right? But here lower box, adjust the distance between the tabs. So here I want to adjust this, so I'm using the minimum value here I'm giving. Suppose here I want to give, suppose 5, yes, 5, 0.5. Here more or less I want to give, but here at the same time you have to reduce this size of sprayed objects because it is very big, right? So here reduce it. So we are reducing this sprayed objects, the size of the sprayed thing I am reducing, right? Minimum it. Now it is around the circle, it is coming to around the circle. Good. Now here check this space, see here, yeah. something like, and here also you can give size of spread, right? Yes. And here even you can reduce that images per tab and image spacing, adjust the distance. So distance you can adjust, right? Here have the rotations relative to path, right? Relative to path, right? And here suppose I'm adding the more images per tab, right? So here I'm adding the more images, set the number of images per tab. I'm adding here the 5 I added, right? And here I'm reducing the distance, suppose here, yeah, yes, 0.2, yes, this is here I want to make it bit bigger size because this is very small. Yes, here I want to reduce the size, distance between tabs, that increase this because I want gaps between that, right? Excellent. Right, so here you can use the relative to a path. Yes, this is nice, right? So you created your own sprayer, right? So this here it is asking to add in spray list, right? Just click in this, so you are add this in spray list, right? It is added, already added, right? So that is the reason, just cancel this and here keep this side and you can Control C, so that means, or otherwise press plus on keyboard, press plus on keyboard, right? And reduce this size, reduce this size, yes, I reduce this size and here if you want to give any color you can give this color instead of this, a blue also give. So this is one kind of design, very easily we are creating these things, and you can group this and group objects, right? So keep this side and now try to apply to the text. Suppose here I'm drawing here, so design, graphic design. Suppose I want capital letters, graphic design. So this is my text and make it bit bigger, yes, bit bigger, and I want in thick, the bold one, right? And here I want to apply this in different color. Suppose here I want to apply in green, right? So this is green, and suppose this we have to apply to the graphic design. For that, here I want to create, so I want to create one more shape here. So with the pen tool, yes, otherwise, yeah, I'll take pen tool. So with pen tool I'm creating one shape. Suppose this is my shape, or otherwise I to create the new thing. Yes, here I'm using Alt on a keyboard. So here I'm giving this shape, nice shape, right? Yes, perfect. Here you can fill any color. Suppose I'm giving some different color. So suppose here, yes, and here I want to remove outline, right? So from none, remove the outline, and you can make it bit smaller size. Now you can add this into your custom media strokes, right? So just click here, save object sprayer. Of course you can save it in brushes also. That result is different, right? Say OK. So give name new, new, and save, right? So this is this, and you delete this, right? Select this and come to your artistic media brush, right? And find, so here suppose from list you already created, it is added into this list, right? So this is added there, it is applied here. Suppose here you delete this, just a minute. Yeah, it is selected. Yeah, it is selected, and from here, so you can drag that. So where is this? This is gone. Just a minute. I want to create in a sprayer or create it in brush. How to check that? Yeah, in sprayer only I created. New sprayer. So here it is gone. I think not add into that. Okay, I'll create again. That is. Otherwise, if you check here, I think it is there. It's not there, right? Anyway, let's create one more thing. So because that is mistakenly deleted that, right? So I'm pressing Alt. Yeah, connect this. Yes. Here fill color, right? So I'm using this color and remove this outline. This you can save. You can save here. Sprayer. Suppose my save. Now it is added into that list. So here, yes, this is right. First you delete this. Yes. Yes, now this is. Select this and artistic media brush and you click on this. It is applied already, right? So it is not showing because you can reduce this size. And one more thing is, so before applying that, because it is already text, on text, Directly you cannot apply that. So for that, what I am doing, just right click on that text, apply convert to curves. That is very important, right? So convert to curves. Your text is converting into curves. After that, your text is, you cannot edit your text. So convert to curves. Your text is converted, right? Then click on the artistic media tool. So open this and click on that. It is added there, right? So now you check here. So because it is already added, and here you reduce this size. Suppose reduce this size. Yes. Suppose give some minimum value, 10 I am giving, right? 10 I gave, and here giving that value here, less value I am giving, because look like around the text the design should form, right? Yes. So here I am giving 0. Suppose 5, 0.5, and more or less should look like the text. Yes, now it is forming into text. See, this is nice, right? Perfect. Here you can zoom this and you can apply that value, more value, and here you reduce this gap. Suppose here the upper box, set the number of images per tab. So 4, otherwise you can decrease also number, 4, 3, yes, 2, yes, minimum 1, right? Here that lower box, adjust the distance between tabs, right? So the gaps we are increasing, distance between tabs along with the length of the stroke. Yes, perfect. And if you want, you can decrease this size more. Yes, the 5, right? It is 5, and here the gaps, increase this, the number of tabs here, set the number of images per tab. Yes, so I'm giving a 5, and here this number, I'm increasing this, right? Suppose if I decrease the value, yes, so this is suppose here I'm giving 10. Yes, so that means 0.1. This is nice. And here if you observe here, the shapes, see, the relative to path, angle of rotation relative to path, right? And here it is, yes, perfect. Now see, this is very beautiful, right? So this way we can create very nice designs. Suppose here, see, I change this color into red, and suppose I'm Control Z I'm giving, because in that outline, the blue, that inside white, it is looking very nice, right? So this is the way we have to use this artistic media. So whatever the shapes you can create, right? The same way here, suppose, and this is my shape again, the same shape, what I am doing, just click on that. Suppose create with the pen tool, any shape, right? On that, select first and again click on that again. So you will get the point, reference point, right? So first you turn this side, your side, right? Now first select one time and again select second time, you will get this point. So I'm using Alt on keyboard, Alt and keyboard. Using Alt, press Alt with left mouse, drag this circle here, right? Keep that point there. Then here I'm using Control on keyboard. With the left mouse I move this, right? So with the left mouse I'm using by pressing Control. Keep your finger on Control. That means what? You are duplicating that. So don't release your left mouse immediately without releasing your left mouse. Immediately you click on right click and release left. So click on right. Suppose Control Z. It has not happened properly, and I'm using Control on keyboard. So duplicating and immediately use right click. Suppose it's not happening, so immediately you have to release that mouse. So this is the duplicate of that, and click that. Again we have to do this. Alright, so applied right click, and here press Control and D. Keep your finger on Control and D. See here we are creating a duplicates of the same shape. So select everything and right click and group objects, right? You grouped objects. So now it is one object. Beautiful. Yes, sorry, this is. So you drag this and select. Yes, this also. Right click and group objects. This is grouped. Now you can reduce this size and keep here, right? And suppose you can duplicate this by pressing plus on keyboard. So duplicated, and click on that and turn this, right? And fill with a different color. Suppose yellow I'm giving, otherwise a red, a pink I'm giving, right? So use your shift to reduce this size. Suppose this is right. Fantastic. Now you select everything and right click and group objects. See, this is very nice. So sorry, this way you can use nice effects. So you can create your own artistic media tools and presets, custom media presets, right? Suppose on that, so this is there. So on that, say come here and suppose keep here this is there, and suppose right click and power clip inside. So add this power clips. See, inside it is there. But Control Z, I don't want to add this in that. Instead of that, we use any photograph. Suppose I'm importing photograph. Suppose yes, import any picture, something, yeah, import. So this is my picture here. So size it, make it big size, and right click and make power clip. So it is into that, right? And here again edit power clip and keep this to entire picture. keep this to entire picture, and here so edit your entire your power clip. See, this is excellent, wonderful, the designs you can create by using this artistic media brush tools, right? So suppose this is, you can reduce this. Yes, so we use all these artistic media brushes in real time on the different commercial designs, right? So you practice this, and then only you will understand. In the next class I'll explain other things in CorelDRAW, right? Thank you.